Hey everyone, today we're going to replace the windshield wipers in our 2016 Toyota Camry. As you can see here, our wiper blade's pretty hammered. It's all kind of coming apart here. So it's a very simple job, very easy to do. Go ahead and lift up the wiper blade arm. So that should just rest in the upright position there. And then what we're going to want to do, what's nice and easy about these wiper blades, there's just a little tab right under here. So our safety tab is just right here. We're going to just pop that out, and then we can slide it down. It'll come right out. And then it comes off just like that. So again, you can see ours is really hammered. We'll go ahead and just grab a new one and set it on there. We just ordered these new wiper blades on Amazon. These is kind of similar setup here. It's got the little safety tab here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead, bring it around, and then just slide it in. And you should hear it just click into place. And you can see that it's got that same little safety tab. So you'll just hear it click in place. And it's similar that it's got the safety tab. The other one, you push it out. What you're gonna wanna do is just squeeze it in, and then it should slide down. See, it comes right out. And we can just go ahead and pop back into place. And again, this is it's a 26 inch for the driver's side arm. Okay, once that's clicked in, we can go ahead and lay it down. And that one should be good to go. And then it's an 18 inch for the passenger side. So we'll go ahead and just kind of do the same thing with the passenger side and get that one replaced as well. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing here. We're just gonna lift up the windshield wiper arm. It will rest in the upright position there. Again, we've just got this little tab here. We're gonna move it out, slide it out. And then it will just slide down. And then we're free of that one now. Now we'll just grab the other one. So now we've got the arm up, it's ready to be replaced. We've got the wiper blade here. So we just want to get it to connect to the blade here. You can see we got like this rounded part. That's the part we want it to go into. So we're just essentially going to do the same thing with the other wiper blade here. So we got it up, actually just brought it inside. It's getting a little hot and had to revisit the project. So what we're going to do is just go ahead, put our wiper blade through, and there's a little, we'll just slide it up on there, and you'll hear it click on. And just get a little, just push down a little bit. It feels like it's pretty snug on there. And we'll note that the kit we ordered came with some adapters in case it's wrong size or it's not fitting properly. So again, you just want to make sure it clicks in there, and then just make sure it's not going to come off as you're driving and wiping. But anyways, that's essentially all you have to do. Very simple, very easy with these Toyotas Camrys. Hopefully this is helpful. Please let us know in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe to Big Al Repairs. Thanks and have a great day.